Aray ko. Ouch. I hit myself.
May we request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the storage bins above you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, read carefully the passenger briefing card.
Sorry po.
If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to reseat you. Sa mga panauning nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin po lamang ang passenger briefing card. Kung sa inyong palagay ay hindi magagawa ay huwag Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being
Tapat
refueled.
eh.
As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seatbelt upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops,
Dali na yun.
earphones, tablets, and any smart equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly Cebu Pacific is certified under the Occupational Safety Audit, or IUSA, the highest standards for safety in the airline industry.
Naya po. Uy, naanay laptopper din. Tapos kang magtapad na lang ka mo. May pa. Unsa na lang kung walay mo lingkod. Transfer na lang mo kung mo lingkod.
Ikaw man magpawindow mo ka ba?
Hindi mo.
Salamat ma.
Ayaw pang nga mga tay tampuan niya. Wala.
Sa pa.
Saan ko? Saan pagtaon sa segment mo?
Ana. Iana ni mo sa liog. Sarap.